'Tis the season for roses. It is November 7th, and you can see these are my drift roses. They are an apricot variety. Here's my Duchess de Brabant roses, and they are magnificent. Look at this, how beautiful this is. Look at this beautiful one. Oh man, I wish you could see it in person. It's different in the camera. It's a little bit more orange or salmon color and glowy. Look at all these. And then these are more the drift roses, but they're older than this batch that I put over here. We've got these bottle brush trees growing, and I've got pathetic zinnias over here. Look at all these roses. Oh my goodness. It's a drift of roses. And these are the pièce de résistance here. It is, you can see it better on the other side. It's sunnier, I think, on the other side is my mutabilis. And these are beautiful. They're multiple colors on one bush. Not fragrant, but pretty amazing. And if we look over here, I have a few more drift roses here. Oh, it smells so good. Of course, I got my fire bush on top of that, and it didn't die back this winter, so it is pretty huge. Usually it would be probably a third of that size if it had died back in the winter time. And this here, I think these smell like Pez. So if you're, I have to get you the name of it. I don't know what it is, but those are blooming as well. And let me spin you around. Oh yeah, it smells like Pez over here. It's kind of amazing. Look at all this. These are the apricot drift roses, and they're really like orange, red. Amazing. And then this batch over here got hit by the hurricane, so everything's kind of a little wonky. Oh, look, it's that my irrigation is flooding too. I gotta do something about that. But these are the honeymoon roses, and it's a climbing rose that will go over this arch. And these are my Mrs. BR cants roses here, and some dead boxwoods and a Bali agave. But check these beauties out. They are getting to be in their happy zone because the nights are getting cooler, although it is pretty muggy out right now. Let's go this time over here. This fell over, and so you can see how gorgeous